Hey, what's up? I'm gonna review the stuff gadgets I bought and I actually used more than 1 month. Let's get started. At first, I bought GoPro, and these are actually really nice. I used and recorded with these stuff to hold with belt, and I can record both hand-free and really nice. And the stabilizer, like soft stabilizer, is like software stabilizer is really nice. And good point is it's really durable. Right? You can put in the water, or this is action cam, so really tough. But negative point is long time shooting in 4K. In HD quality, it is really nice. Maybe I can record more than 1 hour. Maybe 2 hours, maybe not, but 1 hour it's okay. And in 4K quality, the heat is a problem. Maybe 30 to 40 minutes it freezes because of the heat. Maybe because of the CPU software processing 4K, it is overheat and stop recording. That's why you need to know that it can be problem. Maybe you don't want that. And in that case, you need to get not this one. Maybe Handycam might be better choice. But this is really wide angle and really small and also lightweight. So you can put in a bag and you can bring it anywhere. If it's really heavy, like bigger than like this size, maybe you don't carry this because of it's too big and too heavy. But I can put this on a backpack, and even in a day I have no plan to record, I put in a backpack and carry it. It's okay size and weight. But if it's a handycam, maybe I don't want to bring that handycam. So it's nice choice, the weight and size. This adapter is really nice too, and it's GoPro, so you can get a lot of accessories in cheap, and also have many choices like this protection glass, and also these kind of accessories. Is there's a lot, and you can choose from thousands of accessories, and I really like it. It's a kind of hot shoe, like really easy to remove and attach it. You don't need to use screw things, and just really easy. So, and also I realized that I need this kind of things. I actually made with rubber strings. I made it by myself because if we have some plastic things, it makes some noise. That is really annoying. But without this is not stable, like holding like this. I can be dropped easily. Actually, I did sometimes. So I made this. Then I will not drop this. I can hold this as really lightweight. If I have this, I can use something like this. It's also okay, but without this, it's really lightweight and really nice. Nice enough. So these attachment and horseshoe and handmade strap. These are my choice. And also I bought this attachment. Like I can use this like this way. And set it like this. I can record the hand movement or something around here. Also, if you ride a bike, you can record the view of bike. But I prefer this one with backpack belt because it's more stable. It can be shaky, maybe. So I use this backpack belt mostly, like 95% and 5%, 95 and 5. But it's also nice choice and really easy to attach and remove. This is Uranzi, the product brand, Uranzi, maybe made in China, and these are nice. The horseshoe is really nicely made, and without that horseshoe, maybe I'm lazy, so I don't like that. These are Uranzi. This kind of simple box, and there's horseshoe inside, and I bought that. And also that neck strap things, also Uranzi. So that I can use the same horseshoe. Good. Okay. And I also bought SD card 128 gigabyte. 128 gigabyte SD card from ProGrade. And it was nice. No problem. And as a note of how long I can record with GoPro in like with 128 gigabyte in HD 6 hour and 4K 3 hour, 2 or 3 hour. That's a Note. And I record one day, it's okay. But if I on a trip, maybe I need another card or like 250 gigabyte of data. So it's a note of how much, like how long you can record. And another accessory of GoPro is this Bluetooth mic. I bought this one and so far not bad. That I don't speak in really loud. So usually I speak quietly. That's why at home I can use some good mic and compressor and like audio editing, no problem. But on outside I don't speak loudly outside, so like recording like this will be really low volume. So if I put the wireless mic, it'd be better. So it's a choice for recording outside, shooting video outside. So I bought it at second hand and I was not sure how good it is. So I use second hand and cheap one. And it was no problem. So if you buy new one with max price, like not discounted price, it'd be okay. You might not regret. So this is a good choice. Really, this is almost actual size. So really lightweight and small. So I carry the mic with GoPro anywhere. So that was nice choice. So that was GoPro and the related stuff. Okay, great.